AI. It's changing the way we make everything, even my voice. I'm not human. But AI isn't just for fun stuff, like outsourcing your term paper or auto-correcting your text, or to see what you look like with whiskers. Anyway, at Autodesk, AI is artificial intelligence that can solve real-world problems. Autodesk AI gives you the tools to supercharge your process. It augments your creativity. It takes repetitive tasks and automates them, and analyzes data to give you smart, practical insights. Together, we'll unlock potential that will change everything.